Hi, I'm Chelsea, and I'm going to show you how to use the tag placement tool in SonoSim LiveScan. This feature assists with properly placing your SonoSim LiveScan tags onto your mannequin or model. When you open SonoSim LiveScan, a message will appear asking if you'd like to be guided through tag placement. Click Yes on the message window. You can also access this feature by clicking the question mark button and selecting Place Tags. Place the probe on the first tag you would like to position and scan the tag. The virtual body model will indicate where to place the tag on the model or mannequin. There is also an anatomic description of where to place the tag in the upper right corner of the screen. Place the tag on the mannequin or model as indicated. Continue to scan and place the tags as needed. When finished, click Tag Placement Complete. At any point, you may also click the back arrow in the lower right corner to return to the Sono simulator. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any remaining questions, please contact our SonoSim support team at 855-873-7666 or by emailing support@sonosim.com.